Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you highly effective 2-minute scalping strategy using Heikin-Ashi candles, EMA 50 and RSI. This strategy is highly adaptable and works effectively across multiple financial markets including forex, indices, futures and stocks. This is the exact strategy that has given me insane win rates up to 90%. And if you follow it step by step, it can help you consistently pull $300 to $1,000 per day, just like clockwork. But don't just take my word for it. Watch this video all the way through because I will break everything down step by step, show you real trade examples on NASDAQ, and explain exactly why this setup works so well. Before we jump in, quick disclaimer. This is what has worked for me. Make sure you test it on a demo account before going live. Let's get started. All right, so let's begin with the chart setup. We are going to use a 2 minutes chart here. So this is what I have selected, 2 minute. Indicator that we'll be using EMA 50, RSI period 14, and Heikin-Ashi candles. So we'll quickly show you how to add it. Click on indicators, type EMA. So it will show moving average exponential, select that. Click on settings, select the color, whatever color you like, thickness, under inputs, select 50, click on OK. And this is our EMA 50. Next is RSI 14. So click on indicators again, type RSI, relative strength index. By default, it's 14. If it's not 14, you can click on settings and select the length. And the last one here is Heikin-Ashi candles. So what we're going to do, like click on this drop down here and click on Heikin-Ashi here. So this is how you set up the chart. So now I'm going to cover the trading rules. First thing is we have to identify market structure and trend. You don't want to trade during consolidation. Like if market is consolidation like here, you don't want to get into those kind of trades. So for buy trades, you always have to see you're seeing like a higher high as a higher lows. Similarly, like for sell trades, you should see like a lower high and lower lows. So that was a part of like market structure. Next is trend. So simply whenever the price is above EMA 50, we'll be looking for buy trades. And whenever price is below EMA 50, then we'll be looking for sell setups. So now I'm going to cover the buy setup rules. First step is a bullish Heikin-Ashi candle must close above EMA 50. Like over here, we do see Heikin-Ashi candle closed above EMA 50. Now we have to wait for a bearish candle to form first, like for a pullback confirmation, like we do see pullback candle. And after the pullback candle, we have to wait for another bullish candle that should not have any wick at the bottom. So we do see these are smaller bearish candles, and after that we do see bullish candle, but it has wicks on both sides, so we're not going to consider it. So we do see bearish candles pull back all the way to EMA 50, and after that we do see bullish candle over here. It has no wick at the bottom and it has good momentum. We always want to look for like a momentum candle, because like if we see like a small candles like this that has no momentum, then those setups can fail. So we are always going to look for A plus setups. So for entry, we are going to take the entry right after the close of this candle above this wick, and our stop loss will be few pips below this bearish candle over here, and our take profit would be 1.5x of our stop loss. And before that, there's one more check. You have to look at RSI. It is very important that RSI must be above 50, and it should be increasing in value as compared to previous candle. So in this case, we do see on this candle RSI is at 57.21, and if you look at the previous candle, so it was below 50, it was 49. So RSI is increasing. So this is a perfect setup. So we can take entry over here. So that would be a like winning trade. As you can see, our risk to reward. So our stop loss was over here, and TP is 1.5x. So it hit the TP. So it worked well. Here is the first tip. So make sure to mark the round level on the chart. So in this case, we are looking at the NASDAQ chart. So I have mark the levels like 21,300, 21,200. So what I do is simply just plot the horizontal line, like click here, click anywhere on the chart, double click on it under coordinates, just type 21,400. So it will mark a line over here. These lines like round levels work as like a support and resistance. Many times you will see like price reverses from those areas. So if you don't have it on marked on your chart, then it is possible that sometimes you accidentally take the trade and market reverses from that area. So it is always better before starting that trade, mark those round levels. So here are the trading rules for sell setup. The first thing is bearish Heikin-Ashi candle must close below EMA 50. Like over here, we do see this candle close below EMA 50. Now we have to wait for a bullish candle to form first, a pullback confirmation. So we do see multiple bullish candles over here. And after that, we have to wait for a bearish candle with no wick on top. So the first candle that was formed over here, it has no wick on the top. So that could be our setup candle. Next thing is we have to look at RSI. RSI must be below 50 and decreasing as compared to previous candle. So over here we do see the value is 31.85, and if we go back previous candles, so we do see 38.96. So it was up. So now it is decreasing. So it means it has like a selling momentum. So that fulfills our condition. So now we can take the trade. Our entry will be over here, and stop loss will be above this bullish candle, a few pips above it, and our TP would be 1.5x of our SL. So as you can see, our stop loss is over here, entry is over here, and it hit our TP at 1.5x. So it was a winning trade. Here is another trading tip. This strategy works best in trending markets. So avoid entering trades when there is no significant trend and when EMA 50 is flat. As you can see over here, it is creating like small candles. EMA is kind of flat, and we don't see any market structure where you should see higher highs, higher lows, or lower high, lower lows. So keep it in mind. It will be very helpful if you trade during the New York and London session when there's high volatility. Many times we struggle to find the right entry in the long running trend, but since we are using Heikin-Ashi candles, it makes it much easier to enter in the existing trend. The key is to wait for an opposite candle first, then wait for the confirmation candle that resumes the trend. This method ensures that we are not chasing the move, but instead entering with momentum. And always watch for major support and resistance areas before entering a trade to avoid reversals or bad entries. So here is an example. So like this is a sell setup. So let's say you missed this opportunity over here, and when you saw the chart, like the price has already moved over here. So in this case, let's say if you catch it over here, so then just wait for a good momentum candle and you can take the entry. So like we do see a small candle, so we're not gonna take entry over here. We'll skip and just wait for the next opportunity. We do see a pullback over here, and then after that we do see a good momentum candle. It has no wick on top, so you can take entry over here and easily you can hit like 1.5x or 2x over here. So guys, this is hands down one of the most powerful scalping strategies that I have ever used. If you follow it step by step, you will have a massive edge in the market. But remember, the key is to stay disciplined and follow the rules. If you got value from this, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading content. Also drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.